My name's Tim Corbett, and this is Ben Seltzer.
And we're tool makers at Gramercy Tools and Tools for Working Wood in Brooklyn, New York.
This is the Gramercy Tools Kings County Hammer. The name Kings County was inspired by the regional hammer names of Victorian England. The low cross-peen and hand-filed detailing are reminiscent of London, Lancashire, and Exeter pattern hammers. The Kings County hammer is our own original design.
Each hammer begins as a block of W1 tool steel on a CNC milling machine. After the machining, the decorative features like the rings on the nose, the chamfers on the peen, are filed by hand. The face of the hammer is ground with a slight dome and mirror polish to help keep your workpiece mark-free even when driving nails flush.
Once they've been filed and polished, the hammers leave for the heat treater where they receive a differential hardening. That means that the polished face and peen are extra hard to resist scratching and marring, but the area around the eye is left tough to ensure your hammer will last and last.
The Gramercy Kings County hammer is available in two sizes. The smaller 4-ounce version is excellent for fine, detailed work and makes an excellent plain hammer. The larger 9-ounce version is a good all-around cabinetry hammer. Here at Gramercy, we like to use it for nailing, riveting, punching, and persuading.
The cross-peen can be used to start short nails or drive home brads and pins in tight spots. To start a short nail, hold the nail between your thumb and forefinger. As you strike the nail, let the peen slip between your fingers. Once you've got it started, you flip the hammer around, drive the nail home.
This is one of our favorite tools, so it gives us great pride to say that the Kings County hammer is made in the USA.